these are the tails. So this thing here, you cut out as much as you can cut out the meat. You don't want to cut too low because you don't know the tail will drop off. Off the specimen, yeah. That's what hold the feather. The feather still there. Coming on to the wing now. Look like a chicken back, eh?
Bake it up now. Everything is tandoori style. Tandoori chicken.
Most time big boards, right? Yeah, most time big boards, right? Like, bigger than this. You got cut off the wings, separate the wings from the board and everything. This structure. He's right here break for this board. How many people in the world can never get a chance to see like a primitive skinning? That's how they used to do it in the 18th century when the Forest explorer came along this part of Guyana exploring. You know, when the forest explorers started to collect skin specimens, and this is how they had to do it in the field. They did it with salt. Now we got borax salt, preserved salt. They didn't have to. See the shutter break we get. This is the damaged part. This is we flying and break. This is broken bone, the broken wing.
So. Could be good. I see what's in the person. up on board for human being.
No vomit up.
No, I don't want to buy anything. As it is land.
No blood.
The
Rank is forming a face vomit. Anybody could stand blood take.
I know. You do wait, man, if you get baby, if you stomach certain thing, listen, we want to eat the stomach certain thing like the food that the Chinese is prepared for this stuff. Let me tell you, we used to get tasted when we used to work at one supermarket. Before the Chinese, when the Chinese had it the other day, a couple years back. Buy something when I'm asked you up nice, you know it's go back. Someday, eating a piece of meat and a guy good okay, so how it feel alone. You say, Father God, I said, good on, not know. With the head. So you got left a piece of the neck inside there? I take out everything.
I can't let him.
Sure, we have to take a picture of this, the throat. Take a picture of the car, that's what they go for this.
Alright. A real gruesome. This is probably the most gruesome part of skinning the whole board, you know?
Boss in the throat.
No. Watch and see what happens.